buy, sell, or hold MULN stock. Welcome back, MULN fans and haters. In last week's video, I gave you what I thought would be support from MULN Automotive. Let's roll that clip. The next level of support is this line right here, just under 80 cents. I have it down to 78 cents. That is my next line in the sand for MULN Automotive. And the low from last week comes in this candle right here, which the low was 76 cents. How you doing? Over the last few weeks, I've been talking to you about this consolidation box, which goes from $1.20 to $1.40. As we broke out of this consolidation box, what I was looking for is one of my favorite trades, and that's the look below or the look above and fail. And so I was hoping for a look below this consolidation box, a move back into that consolidation box, maybe some wiggling in here, and then a move to the upside. Is a move into that 120 range and to hold the 120. Now, there's something very interesting happening here the few days, which we do have to keep an eye out because there now looks like a higher probability of this second scenario. But there is a key level that we're still holding, and I'll break that down for you. So what could be happening here now is a break outside the consolidation box, a back test to what was support is now resistance, and now are we getting a rejection of that resistance to continue a leg to the downside? It is on the table. However, there still is a ray of hope, and that is this is definitely a breakup candle. And that low comes right in at 98 cents. It is very common for us to see a retest of that breakdown candle, a little ABC pattern. So I'm not yet concerned until we start breaking below that 98 cents. While I may not be concerned, I'm also not super excited until we get back above that 120 and start having daily closes above that $1.20 level. Until we breach either of these levels, it's hard to pick a direction. So at this point, I'm simply long my MULN shares. I'm not selling upside calls. I'm not selling downside puts. I'm simply waiting until we have a direction out of this zone. Let's move on to the Discord. I'm going to show you the trades that I made this week that I post live in the Discord. All my trades, winning and losing, entered live and let you know. Let's see how this week went. Last Wednesday closed out the TLT calls for a 22% winner. We also closed out the Roblox calls for a 62% winner, chicken dinner. That was a 2-day trade. Those were opened on the 10th. On the 13th, I bought QQQ 310 calls. That trade's still open and was looking pretty good until today. We'll have to see how it pans out. Yesterday closed out the Peloton trade for a 72% winner, chicken dinner. Took a YOLO trade yesterday on QTWO. That one's not looking so good. That's probably going to be a loser. Let's get into the other chart. The trend quality still remains negative, but we are starting to see a move back to the upside. Interesting move here on the market forecast indicator. You'll see we're still continuing to see some upward movement of that intermediate trend. This is positive. We want to see it continue. Our intermediate spike was into the upper reversal area. That's also positive. Hopefully it finds some support and then moves back to the upside. There is a small sliver of hope in the MACD with a small crossover. We still remain below the indicator line, so we want to see this continue to improve. RSI is at 38, so this could be a move back to the upside for the RSI, or this could just be a bounce from that oversold condition, resulting in a move back down. Looking at all the indicators, it does appear that the stock has found some footing. Some of the negatives have stopped increasing and are starting to go flat. Hopefully we can find some support here and then continue the move to the upside. Our trend indicator remains negative to the red, but we did start getting up into those moving averages and the fanning is condensing. That is often an early sign that a reversal is possible. 4-hour trend remains negative, but we did see a reversal this week on the 1 hour turning to the green side. However, it looks like we might have a transition candle here, but this is positive. The first time in many weeks that we have green on the momentum indicator. One thing that could put lots of green on this indicator and the chart is significant news, and we did have some this week on that battery results. I dig into those battery test results in this video.